products that are formulated with ingredients that are rich, okay, and highly moisturizing. Now, when it comes to dark complexion, there's not much that you can do because you're not trying to be fair. All you need is maintenance, and what you use to maintain your skin includes a body wash or a soap, a body scrub, okay, a body lotion, and lastly a body oil. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eniola and I do all things skincare, beauty and lifestyle. If you're a new subscriber or a new viewer, please consider subscribing. Give this video a thumbs up because you would guaranteed learn a lot. You will for sure learn a lot. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. You are the real MVP, most important personality. Is that what they call it? No. Okay. Anyways, I don't know what it is called, but you are the real MVP. Thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. Of course, give this video a thumbs up. It helps the algorithm to push our content to more people who need knowledge and valuable information like this one. Today's video is in two parts, so you're watching the very first part right now. The second part is going to come out later in the week or during the weekend, depending on the schedule. Anyways, so if you watch this video, make sure you also look out for the second part. Today's video is called skincare products to try if you are dark in complexion, or how to choose skincare products for your dark complexion skin. Okay, while the second video is going to be on skincare products under 10,000 naira. That is, if you are broke, if you are on a budget and you just want to buy skincare products that would nourish your skin. So let's get started. Skincare products for dark complexioned people, or if you are just dark in complexion. Now let me first start by saying this. You see, I'm smiling. This is important because I'm about to shatter some tables. People are going to come for me. Why? The key to having a popping dark complexion, it's not to brighten or lighten your skin. Instead of brightening your skin, why don't you use skincare products that would soften your skin, that moisturizes and adds hydration to your skin? Instead of trying to lighten up your skin, why don't you use products that pamper, nourish your skin? Products that are formulated with ingredients that are rich, okay, and highly moisturizing. Now, when it comes to dark complexion, there's not much that you can do because you're not trying to be fair. All you need is maintenance, and what you use to maintain your skin includes a body wash or a soap, a body scrub, okay, a body lotion, and lastly a body oil. Those four products are the key products that you need to maintain your dark complexion. Now let's talk about the ingredients that you need to start looking out for. If you rush to the mall today, I'm going to ShopRite, I'm going to the Palms, I'm going to 𝐏𝐚𝐸𝐽𝐻. Do you get? What are some of the ingredients that you need to look out for if you are dark in complexion? Put this in your left hand. Do not use it to eat or forget, okay? Or screenshot these ingredients that will be on the screen right now. The first one is this mango butter. Second one is this coconut butter. Third one is this cocoa butter. Last one is this shea butter. These are some of the key ingredients that are usually formulated or added to products that are suitable for dark complexioned women or men, depending on the kind of gender that you are. Let me repeat myself again. Mango butter, coconut butter, cocoa butter, okay, shea butter. Now, they are called butters because they are usually in butter form, like formulations, before they are added to the other formulations in the form of body washes, scrubs, lotions, or oils that you then apply on your skin. But these ingredients are very important, and I will tell you why. Cocoa butter complements, evens, repairs the skin. The same thing with shea butter, the same thing with coconut butter. They are known for what? Repairing, evening out your skin tone, and of course what? Blending your skin. They are known for what? Repairing, evening out your skin tone, and of course blending your skin. And the best way, in fact the most attractive dark complexion, kind of complexion that everybody wants to have, is a complexion that is dark, even, and what? Glowy. People should see you and be like, wow, your skin is just so beautiful. It's not because you are fair, it's because your skin is deeply moisturized, deeply nourished and has been deeply pampered by some of these ingredients that I've just mentioned to you. Now let's go right into the products that I have for you guys today. The very first one is this Dove Restoring Cocoa Butter plus Coconut Extract Body Wash. Now you guys already guessed it right. The major reason why we are reviewing this product today for dark complexion people is because of the ingredients inside it. Before you buy a product, before you say you want to pay for a product, before you order a product, sometimes even with my brand, we are transparent about the information that we put on the labeling and all those things. Or if you watch our videos, you will see us also put it in some of the content and stuff. Ask questions. What's this thing formulated with? Or in the packaging, turn to the back and read it. The ingredients of a product tells you what the benefits, that the product is going to give your skin. Okay, now the reason why we are reviewing the Dove Restoring Cocoa Butter plus Coconut Extract Body Wash is simply because of the ingredient list. Of course, like every other body wash, it will cleanse your skin and help to remove dirt on the surface of your skin. But think about the hydration, think about the moisture, think about the fact that it will soften up your skin, pamper your skin, and deeply nourish your skin, because these are the key factors that transcend into the fact that your complexion is going to be popping, even, and of course deeply moisturized, because those are the key things that you need to know and that you need to strive for when your skin is, maybe if your skin is dark in complexion. Okay, now the very next product that I would like to review for you guys is this Tree Hot Body Scrub with Tropical Mango Extract. Now why are we talking about this today? Of course, because of the mango extract inside it. If you see me review any product, most times it is because of the ingredients combination inside the product. Now this scrub is a sugar scrub. It means that like most scrubs, it is going to gently exfoliate your skin. But instead of exfoliating your skin and brightening it, no, it is only going to nourish, pamper, repair, and exfoliate your skin. The scrub is not going to lighten up your skin or going to brighten it. This content today is not about brightening. It's about pampering your skin, repairing your skin, moisturizing your skin, and of course deeply nourishing your skin with these ingredients that I've just mentioned to you guys. And that's why for body scrub, I highly recommend that you look for anything with mango extract. It's really nice for dark complexion people. Now the very next thing that I want to talk about is your body lotion, and that brings me to the body lotion that I reviewed last week for you guys. And that is the Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Butter Body Lotion with vitamin E and of course moisturizing extracts inside of it. Now while we're reviewing it again, I am bringing it back again because of course if you're dark in complexion, cocoa butter should be something that you should be looking out for in your body lotion. The other option to this body lotion is the Palmas Cocoa Butter Body Lotion, which also gives the same benefit. Why? Because of the cocoa butter inside it. This is key in the formulation of the product. If you see anybody's dark complexion glowing or stuff, just check their product list and look out for these ingredients, because guaranteed, I am assuring you, this is some of the things that they look out for, or subconsciously they don't even know that is why they like the product. It's because of these ingredients inside it. The very last product that I'd like to talk about is your body oil. We always, on this channel, we do everything. We go the extra mile. We go the long, like full yard. We don't do half work here, okay? We are not going to use body lotion and not use body oils. Why? Because body oils is the icing on the cake of your skincare, of course, body care, skincare routine. Very important, because it's going to even out your skin tone. And if you have issues with troubles on your skin or like dark patches and stuff, it will even out your complexion. And the body oil that I recommend for you if you are dark in complexion is this Neutrogena Body Oil that I've been seeing everywhere. And it has key ingredients like jojoba oil and argan oil, and this is really important for dark complexion. These oils that I've just mentioned. Why? Because it is going to repair your skin, it is going to blend age-long scars, and it is going to soften and even out your skin tone. That is the benefit of using body oil. But most importantly, a body oil that has argan oil extract or jojoba oil extract. If Neutrogena body oil is on the high side for you and it's a bit too expensive, I recommend the stellar argan oil. Argan oil is really important. I even use it, and I'm I'm fair in complexion. I use it in some of my formulations, and it is important. Why? Because it repairs the skin. The reason why I'm hammering on some of these products and some of these ingredients is because it is possible that when you go out there to shop, you might not find the exact products that are recommended. But if you know the ingredients that you're looking out for, it will help you to make quality, better purchasing decisions when it comes to choosing products for your skin type or your skin color or your complexion. Now, regardless of whether you're dry, normal, oily, combination, this routine is for your body. The product ingredients that I've mentioned is for your body. Please let us know in the comment section down below which of these products that you have tried before. If you have tried any of these ingredients, or you have any products that has this ingredient and you're dark in complexion, I want to know your thoughts. Have they worked for you? Have you seen results? Okay. And if you guys want me to make a video like this for somebody that is fair or for somebody that is caramel in complexion, also comment it down below. Thank you so much guys for watching all of my videos. If you would like to work with me, you sell hair, you want to book me like as an influencer, you want to collaborate with me on hair, jewelry, clothes, or all those things, I am really available. My email is down below. You can also just send me a DM on Instagram. I look forward to working with you guys, for those that want to work with me, and I look forward to chatting with you guys in the next video that will be up really soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the very next one.